As at the 18th of May 2021, Organigram launched Big Bag of buds, indoor grown strain specific dried flowers in 28-gram value format. You definitely heard about this news and all that stuff, So moving on, that's the old news. We haven't seen any other new news concerning Organigram. We can see that it has a market cap of $814.2 million, 298.233 million shares outstanding. It currently says the short interest is about 5.11%, or rather 15.23 million shares are sold short. We can currently see that the stock is trading above its short-term trend lines, the 10-day moving day averages, but below the 200-day moving average, and also above the 200-day moving average. So we can see that moving down, the RSI looks positive, or rather the slope looks positive, and that's also the case with the price rate of change. That might also be the case with the unbalanced volume indicator. The MACD histogram is above zero and rising. 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is rising. We can see the momentum not so strong as such. Definitely the MACD is above the signal line. We can see it appears to be consolidating within a longer term uptrend. Shares are presently above 200-day moving average, which is rising along with the 10-day moving average. However, the average directional index is below 20, indicating that shares have exhibited sideways movement recently. It's lagging the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is at close to its all-time high, but OGI is somewhere in between its 50-day range. And moving on, we can see that also the momentum for OGI is strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is rising as investors pay high prices for shares, even though it's been consolidating. The unbalanced volume indicator shows that longer-term selling pressure has given way to near-term accumulation by traders. Absolutely, yes. It says the Bollinger Band squeezes tend to precede major price breakouts, although they do not predict which direction the new trend will take. Trend and momentum indicators may be useful during squeeze conditions to help discern the direction of future trends. So I think the volatility currently stands at 121.38% for the last 10 trading sessions, and also all the trend lines, or rather moving averages, are upward sloping apart from the 50-day moving average. So all in all, we can say that we've been able to determine that it has an analyst ratings of 3 strong buys, 1 buy, and 8 holds. So that is an indication that of the 12 analysts involved in OGI, only 4 of them are very much positive. Only four of them have buy ratings. So all in all, I think the fact that the stock has been consolidating, the fact that the stock is just above its short-term trend lines, these analysts, just as we are also looking at it, are not exactly shifting their position. They're simply saying, if you're there already, this is also what we're going to say. We're just towing the same line as well. If you're there already, remain there. But the fact that the stock is trading above its short-term trend lines, I would just say, hold on, observe and see how things are going to go. Personally, we always want to see the stock trade below its short-term trend line before we make any move. And that opportunity was the last time that happened was as at the 14th of May. So that opportunity has disappeared for the moment. In the coming sessions, it might reappear again. So as things stand now, it's trading at a premium to those short-term moving averages, 10-day and the 20 days. So we're just observing, and it's up to you to decide if you want to buy it or not. But left to us, it's just hold, observe, and see how things, whether a better opportunity will emanate. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share if you're already a subscriber. Thank you very much for watching this video.